In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use the slope triggering option in ExcelLink. Probably one of the most useful trigger options, and one of the most straightforward, slope triggering allows you to stream data into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet when signals rise above or fall below a particular level, above 2 volts or above 5 volts, for example. To demonstrate this, we'll choose Advanced Trigger ExcelLink from the Add-ons menu, select the Slope tab, and configure to record or stream data when signals rise above 2 volts on channel 1. You can choose pre- and post-trigger data points to stream, in this case 100 pre-trigger points and 100 post-trigger points. As you can see, with the voltage at 0, input voltage at 0, data does not stream. When the voltage rises above the 2 volts that we specified, 100 pre- and post-trigger data points stream into Excel. Looking at the spreadsheet, the resulting spreadsheet, you can see the data.